Okay, Miss ABCD, let's spell three-letter words that end with A-N.
Let's go. A-N says an. An.
A-N says an. Can you spell can?
What's the missing letter in can? Can. You got it. C. The letter C. C-A-N. Can.
Can you spell ban?
What's the missing letter in the word ban? Ban. Ban. Do you know what it is?
Is it the letter B?
Yes!
You're really good at this. B-A-N spelled ban.
Can you spell ran?
Well, what do you think, friends? Which letter starts the word ran? Ran.
Oh, I definitely know this one. It's the letter R. R-A-N. Ran. Can you spell fan?
Listen closely. Fan. Fan. Did you hear that? Which letter makes a sound?
This one is tricky. Is it the letter F?
Yes!
Can you spell man?
I know you know this one. Man. Man.
Miss ABCD, is it the letter M?
Of course it is. M-A-N. Man.
Can you spell tan?
Tan. Tan. T-A-N. Tan.
Terrific! Can you spell pan?
Pan. Pan. P. Pan. A-N. P-A-N. Pan.
Can you spell van?
Tricky one. Listen carefully. Van. What letter is that? It's the letter V. Great job. V-A-N. Van.
Can you spell nan?
N-An. N-An.
Oh, I think I know this one too, Miss ABCD. Is it the letter N?
Yes!
You've got it. Great job. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.